Hello! Welcome back. This time we are going to answer the question of what is a test? It's like half the title of our class, so we should probably know what it is. So, a psychological test there are tons of different definitions, but the core idea is that a psychological test is defined as an objective and standardized measure of a sample of behavior. So this can be thought of as a measurement device or technique used to quantify behavior and aid in the understanding and prediction of behavior. That's one definition. Another one is a standardized procedure for sampling behavior and describing it with categories or scores. Now, the key aspects here are it's a standardized procedure. We are sampling behavior. We are assigning those behaviors, or however we operationalize it, to scores or categories. We are assigning the vague idea to a number. And often that is based on a norm or standard that we use as a reference point. And we use all of this stuff to make a prediction about non-test behavior. That's the key idea here. So, now, that set of items is designed to measure characteristics of human beings or other sentient creatures that pertain to that behavior. This behavior can be overt, so an observable activity of the individual, or covert. It can take place within that individual. Archie, what are you doing? So we can get into those kind of hidden psychological mechanisms. Now, a scale is how we relate the raw score on a test to some defined theoretical or empirical distribution. This, in other words, is a method of operationalization of a psychological construct using a multiple item test. You can't have a scale with one item. You can't. Contrary to what the social psychologists will do, you really need multiple questions. Otherwise, you do. So yeah, that's it. Some of these are really brief. So yeah, that's a test. Bye.